Let's discuss about the important formulas of mole concept. Mass percent of a solution is equal to mass of solute upon mass of solution into 100. Volume percent of a solution is equal to mass of solute upon volume of solution into 100. Molarity is equal to number of moles of solute upon volume of solution in liters. Molality is equal to number of moles of solute upon mass of solvent in kilogram. Number of moles is equal to given mass upon molecular mass, and volume is equal to mass upon density. This formula is derived from density is equal to mass upon volume. Now comes mass of solution. Mass of solution is mass of solute plus mass of solvent. Our first question is, to make a saturated solution, 36 gram of sodium chloride is dissolved in 100 gram of water at 293 Kelvin. Find its concentration at this temperature. Here concentration refers to mass percent. The solute given is NaCl and it is 36 gram, and the solvent given is water, that is 100 gram. Therefore the mass of solution will be 136. How? The mass of solute plus mass of solvent. As we know, the mass percent of solution is equal to mass of solute upon mass of solution into 100. Therefore we can write it 36 upon 136 into 100. We'll solve this and we will get the answer is 26.47%. Our second question is, what volume of ethyl alcohol and water be mixed together to prepare 250 ml of 60% by volume of alcohol in water? Volume percent of a solution is equal to mass of solute upon volume of solution into 100. As it is given, volume percent of a solution is 60, and let the mass of solute be x. The volume of solution is 250 into 100. From here we will calculate the value of x, that will be 60 into 250 upon 100, and that will come out to be 150 milliliter. That is, this is the ethyl alcohol. Question number 3 is, the concentration of salt solution in terms of mass by mass percent is 20% and the mass of solution is 550 gram. Determine the mass of solute present in the solution. See, mass of solution is given in the question, that is 550 gram, and we know the formula, that is mass percent of a solution is equal to mass of solute upon mass of solution into 100. The mass percent of solution is already given, that is 20%, and mass of solute we have to calculate. Let it be x, and we will apply this in the formula. This will be 20 is equal to x upon 550 into 100. By calculating this, we will get the mass of solute, that is 110 gram. Question number 4 is, calculate the mass of water and mass of glucose required to make 250 gram of 40% solution of glucose. The mass percent of solution is given, that is 40%, and mass of solution is also given, that is 250 gram. Let the mass of solute be x. We will take out the value of mass of solute, that will come out to be 100 gram of glucose. Now we have to calculate the mass of water, that is solvent. Water is the solvent here. Okay, that will be mass of water is equal to mass of solution minus glucose. Mass of solution is 250, that is already given, and glucose we have taken out, it is 100 gram. Will 250 minus 100, that will be 150 gram, the mass of water. Question number 5 is, calculate the mass of potassium chloride required to prepare its 40% solution in 100 gram of water. We have been given the mass percent, that is 40. Mass of solute is also mass of solute is not given. We have to calculate this. Let it be x. Mass of solvent is equal to 100 gram. Mass of solution is equal to solute plus solvent. Okay, that will be x plus 100. मास परसेंट का फॉर्मूला होता है मास ऑफ सोल्यूट अपॉन मास ऑफ सॉल्यूशन इनटू 100. विल अप्लाई this formula. Will get the value of solute, Okay, that will come out to be 66.66 gram. Question number 6 is 7.45 gram of potassium chloride was dissolved in 100 gram of water. Calculate the molality of solution. The mass of solute is given, that is 7.45 gram. Mass of solvent is 100 gram. We know the formula of molality, that is number of moles of solute upon mass of solvent in kg. Number of moles are calculated by given mass upon molar mass. The mass is given, that is 7.45 gram. We'll calculate the molar mass of KCl, and that is 74.5 gram per mole. By now we'll apply this number of moles and molar mass in this formula. That will come out to be 0.1 and this in kg. We know 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram. So we'll apply this here and we'll get the 1 molality. Okay. The last question covering all the concepts is 11.11 gram of urea was dissolved in 100 gram of water. Density of the water is 1 gram per milliliter. Calculate the molarity and molality of the solution. The given values are there for calculating the molar mass. The mass of solute is given 11.11 gram. Mass of solvent is 100 gram. Density is 1 gram per milliliter. We know the formula of molarity, that is number of moles of solute upon volume of solution in liter. So we need to calculate the number of moles of solute and volume of solution in liter. This is how we have calculated the number of moles of solute and the molar mass and volume. Volume is mass upon density. We'll put these values in the formula of molarity and it will come out to be 1.852 mole per liter. Okay. Now we have to calculate the molality. Molality is number of moles of solute upon mass of solvent in kilogram. We have to remember, in molality it is kilogram and in molarity it was in liters. So we'll apply here. We will apply the values in the formula of molality and we'll calculate it. It is coming out to be 1.852 mole per kg.